Alright, we took the trade here. We have the light sweet crude charts up. We took the trade on Russell 2000 though. The market is just a little bit too whippy, a little too volatile for the CL. But right now the Russell 2000 is a little bit easier of a contract to trade. And we're taking the signal off the CL. They seem to be following each other in some regard today, and so we took a long position here, 10 contracts. The tick structure is the same, Russell and the CL, light sweet crude. Each tick is $10. We're in 10 contracts, so $10 times the 10 contracts would be $100 per movement or tick that the yellow cube here is moving. So we're going for a 10 tick profit target. That's $100 on a contract. 10 contracts, $1,000. I'm using NinjaTrader here. Our traders call these entries and exits for you. We call trades from 3 a.m. to 12 noon. I recommended you pick about an hour and a half or 2 hours maybe to trade that fits your schedule. We give you a lot of training on how to identify these signals. As you can see, I'm using some trend line, some support resistance analysis here, and price action primarily. NinjaTrader is my platform here. When I entered the order, you can see that a bracket automatically set up with my profit target in green at the bottom. If I was short, the profit target would be on the bottom of the middle brown cube, which is our average fill on each of the 10 contracts. And at the bottom here we have our stop protection if things go poorly. Right now we're in the red zone. We don't like that, but it is what it is. It's a little, the light sweet crude was just too jumpy at the open. So if you can find a pair that's moving together, you can pick one that's moving in a little bit more acceptable volatility. Alright, now we're getting into the green area a little bit, but we're still a long ways from our profit target. My prediction, we'll get a pop here because we're coming off this trend line. I don't believe it's got enough steam to hit our bottom support, so we're going to look for a retracement right here, and a retracement good enough to hit us out with 10 ticks. I think we can do this. It's in the realm of good possibility here. And then what I'll be looking for is a possible short after that. But we got to get through this trade first. I kind of think a lot between maybe a couple of trades in advance. Here, give you a bigger picture of what we're dealing with here. I'm on a 2-minute chart right now. As you can see, we came off a consolidation. The market's going to be on the upside because we had a nice pull up. Let me zoom in a little bit for you so you can get a better view. We consolidated, and that's why we had that big move up, but we're going to have some good retracements here. And there it is, boom. Okay, we hit our 1,000 right here, and now we're going to, as I said, we're going to look for another trade here. We're going to go back to CL, and it looks like it's slowing down a little bit. So we'll go back to the light sweet crude contract here, and we'll go for another long position right here. This looks like it made a bit of a hiccup right here, and the real move, even though we hit our profit target on the last one, I believe the real move is right here. I'll take us out right here with 5 ticks. Boom, there it is. We're up 1,500. We're up 1,500. You know what? I might be able to tap this one more time. See, it's even now it's slowed down. It's still whippy. So you got to be careful on this one. That's why I'm just taking small chunks out of here. Let's go for another 500 on this one. Before when we were trading the Russell, it was too crazy. We should get a pop right here. We had a nice little consolidation here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. That's enough to pop us up 5 ticks, which it did. Boom, bada bing, bing. We're in at break even. 1 contract left, and done. All right, 2,000, 3 quick trades, no stops. 1 on the Russell, 2 on light sweet crude. You got to kind of move where the money is, and that's what we did today. All right, see y'all tomorrow.